A champion is someone that does battle for another's rights or honor. You are a champion for your kids. And I ask you to be a champion for yourself. Because if you choose that, then you'll be happier. In the director's workshop, we're going to do a couple of team building games, and one of them is going to be about how we think that other people are supposed to listen to us. And if they don't listen to us in a certain way, we get mad at them instead of checking in with them. Have you ever been in a situation where you think somebody's upset at you, one of your friends, an associate, a family member, and you think that they're upset at you, but you don't ask them, and 2 days go by, 3 days go by, a week goes by, 3 weeks go by, and all of a sudden that person finally goes like, are you upset at me? Like, no, I thought you were mad at me. No, we're good. And then 3 weeks of your friendship or your relationship just went right out the window because of a story that you made up in your mind. Be a champion for yourself. Remember, you have patterns and systems. What I want you to do today is just notice when you get upset and ask yourself, what expectation did I create, and can I change that expectation? I created an expectation that after I was set up this morning, that food would still be out there. And then I walked out there, and it wasn't. And I chose to get upset for 2 seconds. By the way, you can also choose how much time you want to get upset. There's nothing wrong with being mad or sad or upset at someone. Be like, I'm going to be pissed at that person for about 7 minutes. Oh, timer's off. All right, cool. Now I'm back to being happy. So it doesn't affect you. A hero is someone who is admired for great or brave acts of fine qualities. I have to read that. I'm like this little side thing like that. How many of you know that you are the hero to these kids? How many of you have ever seen one of your kids outside in public and it blows their mind? You're not at the school? No, like I have a life too. No, you're supposed to be at the, you're a champion for these kids. If you believe that people can make you upset, then you're going to walk into your school or walk into your job or your situation not being empowered. How many people here wake up next to somebody in the morning, well, intentionally? Hey, listen, it's a conference, have a party, right? Whatever, right? But how many people wake up in the morning and you look at that person and you go, I choose you. As opposed to, you again? It's like freaking Groundhog Day. How do I get out of this? I'm hitting the time, right? How many of you choose your job? How many of you choose your kids? Even that one. See, it all happens in your mind, and you're the ones that get to choose to be powerful or not.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.